Hello there. Welcome to What's Hot Campaign 15. This is our annual sale. It's our semi-annual sale of the year. Save up to 65%. So look, check this brochure out. Isn't this exciting? We have pages and pages of sale items. We have shoes. We have clothing. All of it up to 65% off. More clothing. And more clothing. And jewelry. Look at that. Woo, watches and holiday jewelry. More jewelry. More jewelry. We have over almost 40 pages. We have holiday stuff. So we have almost 40 pages of holiday and all kinds of items up to 65% off. So look at that. We have household, like for outdoors, for your backyard. We have more clothing. I mean, pages and pages of sale products. So moving on, there's also sales on our regular items. Like our skincare, we have our Ultimate Supreme. We have the Dual Elixir, which is normally $50. And we have the Advanced Performance Cream, which is also normally $50. Right now, you can get them both for $65. That's a really great deal. That really is a great deal because these are amazing products. I can't even tell you how amazing they are. They go on your face. They make you feel amazing. It gets rid of the lines and wrinkles and you look younger. Can't complain about that, right? All right, so we also have the vitamin C serum, which is new. Our vitamin C serum is not new, but it's reformulated. And we have the warming peel and the vitamin C antioxidant lip treatment, all three for $39.99. That's a great deal too. Can't beat that one. And you know, it's summer. We have the Skin Invincible SPF 50 on sale right now for $20.99. This is the day lotion. The night deep recovery cream is also on sale. Well, we also have, since we're on this page, the Clinical Eye Lift Pro and the Thermofirm, both on sale for $19.99. But the Skin Invincible, I wanted to point out, is an SPF 50. So we are in the summer, and the sun, you know what the sun could do to your face and to your skin, and you know, all of the problems that come with sun. And SPF 50 is amazing, and for $20.99, you can't beat that. That's a great deal. Also, it's because it's summer, it's travel season, so we have our travel sizes of all of our skincare products on sale for $7.99. These are TSA approved, easy to pack with you when you're going out, you know, on your vacations. We have some fragrances on sale. We have Velvet. You know, Velvet is normally $30, and right now you can get the Velvet, the perfume, and the shower gel, and the body lotion, all for $20. Oh, no, I'm sorry. They are on sale. They're $20 for the perfume, which is normally $30. And then you can get the shower gel and the body lotion for $6 each. So they're still great deals. And we have a wow deal for the men, Mesmerize, only $9.99, regularly $23. This is one of our best-selling fragrances. Men love this. It smells really nice. It's sexy. It's a hot fragrance for only $9.99. And then again, because it's travel season, we have all of our travel size perfumes. Look at that, for $5.99 each. And these are all TSA approved. You can take them with you, pack them in your carry-on when you're going on vacation. And can't miss out Bug Guard. All of our Bug Guards on sale. You know, we just got back from Los Cabos, and we have all kinds of travel advisories from the airlines saying, hey, you're going to Mexico and they have Zika virus there. So be sure you have your protection. And you know what's cool? The Avon, if you go to the CDC website, this is the Centers for Disease Control for the United States. If you go to their website, they have 5 of their top items are our Bug Guard items to help protect you. So isn't that amazing? And you know, there's no DEET, there's no parabens. Our products are safe. They will fully protect you against the bugs, and they smell nice. Can't complain about that, right? Then I have a couple of new items I want to show you. This is our Rainbow Riches collection. See that? It's beautiful. So this is the necklace. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Get up there where you can see it. The light, I just really struggle with the light. Ooh. Well, okay, so anyway, it's a rainbow. It's beautiful little stones around in the circle. And this is on sale right now for $9.99. And then there's a bracelet. And see, it's the same stones in this bracelet. And that is on sale for $9.99. Isn't that beautiful? And you have the earrings. So can you see the earrings there? They're little hoop earrings with the same rainbow. They're beautiful. So all of these are $9.99 each. Can't beat that right here. Great deal. And then on the next page, we have another bracelet. It's called a colorful adjustable bracelet. These are on sale for $7.99. They come in all different colors, and as you can see, you can stack them. See in that picture right there, you can stack them. And this is that bracelet. So both that one and this rainbow one, they have this really cool thing on. This is how you tighten it. You can literally tighten it for as big or as loose as you want it. I love that. That's pretty amazing. And it's the same thing on this one. This is like rope kinda, and this is more chain, but it does the same thing. You can pull it and tighten it, and pull it and tighten it or loosen it. So it makes it really easy to just slip it on and make it as tight as you want it. So it's a great deal, $7.99 for those bracelets. And we continue on with our sale because it's our semi-annual sale. We have all of our spirits online. All of our health products are online. And you can get the complete 30-day system to reboot your metabolism for only $99. This is amazing. It comes with 2 of the shake powders. It comes with the metabolism boost, the hunger block, and the ideal cleanse. So you start with the ideal cleanse. You take the metabolism boost every day to boost your metabolism, and then the hunger block. The hunger block comes with this root. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it's a root. It's natural, and it absorbs like 300% of its weight. It absorbs it, and so what happens is you get this in your stomach, and when you drink water, it absorbs it into the root and it makes you feel like you're full. And so you don't eat as much. And it's all natural. It's not going to hurt you. It's healthy. And it's a great system for $99. Reboost your metabolism in just 30 days. And then the other Aspira, all of our Aspira is on sale. But the other one I want to point out is this AM Protect and PM Restore. This is our Aspira AM Protect and PM Restore. This is collagen. Keyword here is collagen. So this is AM Protect is gonna help your hair, your skin, and your nails. So it has antioxidants and nutritional building blocks to help protect from UV exposure. It's gonna help build up your hair and your nails. And the PM Restore helps build new collagen, which is the key to healthy skin. And it's just a single serving. You mix it with water, and it tastes really good. And you just have that in the evening. So these are normally $30, and they're on sale for only $15 this campaign. So you got to check this brochure out because it's amazing sale prices, pages and pages of sale prices. I mean, who doesn't love a good deal, right? Anyway, one last thing. I have new lipstick on. This is our lip tattoo. It's coming out in the next campaign, campaign 16, and this doesn't come off. This stays on all day. It doesn't come off on your coffee cup or on your, if you have a styrofoam cup, doesn't come off. It stays on. It looks beautiful all day. So watch for that coming up soon. Anyway, thanks for being with me today, and this is What's Hot, campaign 15. Have a great day.